I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. In this quick tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Taz Face in 2K26. This is the easiest and fastest method to get the Taz Face glitch, or the all black face. This actually uses a working 2K26 locker code. So this is, I call it a glitch, but really it is just a locker code that's going to unlock the glitched Taz Face in 2K26. So before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am always searching for updated methods on how to get free stuff in 2K26. So yeah, this NBA 2K26 locker code is going to get you the Taz Face. So let's get into it and show you how to do it. What you need to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. I've been searching on Google and YouTube, and I actually found this method on another YouTube video, and it's pretty simple. So use your mobile internet browser to get your locker code and then redeem it in game. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So let's type that in, make sure you copy it down correctly. So cold coupons. And this is basically a game code website. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down. They have loads of different pages. I don't know how many. They probably have like 200 or 300 different pages of codes. So to speed up the process, you need to just search for the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. And as you can see, there are 4 verified codes, and thousands of people have used this method to get the Taz Face in 2K26. So go ahead and scroll down, and here we go. This is a unlock the Taz Face glitch in 2K26. So guys, this is a locker code. That's why this method is the best method, because it is a simple code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to provide you with the Taz Face. And this is after patch as well, so this is always working in 2026. So what you need to do is unlock your code. Now, these locker codes are limited in number, and it does limit 1 per person. So this basically stops people stealing all of the codes. So you need to do a quick verification, guys, which is completely normal, and it is really easy. It takes about 5 minutes. Like I said, I did this earlier. And you're going to see this page here that says code unlocker. Really easy. You just got to complete 2 of the free apps or survey offers below. And that is going to get you your 2K26 locker code from Cold Coupons. So on this page, you're going to see a list of tasks that are completely free. And they're like basically playing mobile apps and games. And there may be like free surveys you can do as well. And as it says in the red here, it says follow the instructions below each app. So that is quite important that you do follow the instructions. So that one, what one did I just accidentally press there? This one says follow the instructions on the next page to unlock. So it's going to bring you to this page here, this one. So it says search the app store. So you've got to click on that button and search for casino and find this app. So let's just quickly show you this one as an example. So you'd go to the app store here and type in casino and search that. And then there's the app. So then you would literally download that app, install the app and open it. And that one would be complete. So really easy things. Once you do that, to complete 2 of them, and your 2K26 locker code for the Taz Face will be revealed in this box, and then you redeem it in game, guys. So that is how to get Taz Face in 2K26 working right now. So go to Cold Coupons and find the locker codes page here and select the Taz Face. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.